Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CNC Skills. In today's class, we are going to explain about data types and type conversions in C programming. What are data types in C programming? In C, a data type tells the compiler the which type of a data variable will hold. For example, integer, float, character. It tells about which type of a data contains. In C, there are several data types. Basic data type, derived data type, user defined data type. Basic data type in C program. These are the most commonly used in C program like integer, float, double, character and string. Int. Int carries the integer number values. It contains 4 bits of memory. Float for a decimal number after a single precision. Single precision means single digit after a decimal point or a decimal number. It takes 4 to 6 bytes of memory. Double. For more precision of a decimal number, it takes 8 to 15 bytes of memory. For a character, we use single character as 1 bit. String for a multiple characters. C programming also provides modifiers to alter the size or range of a data types. These include short, long, signed, unsigned data types. Derived data type. Derived data types are the built from basic data types. These allows us to group multiple data items or handle more complex data structures. They are arrays, pointers, functions. Array. An array is a collection of variables of a similar data type and store continuous memory location. Like for example, int marks of 5. Here 10, 20, 30, 40. We are going to input this all the data into marks as an integer value, integer data type. This creates an array of 5 integers. Pointers. A pointer stores the address of another variable. Example for pointers. Int x equals to 10. Int star ptr equals to ampersand x. Printf value of x percentile d. Here star ptr gives the value stored at the address of x. Functions. In C programming, functions are also treated as a kind of a derived data type because they can return or accept different data types. Example, int sum, int a comma int b. Here a and b are integer values or integer numbers. Return a plus b. Here the function returns the value of adding two integers. Next, user defined data type. User defined data types are custom types of data that can be created using basic or derived data type. They allows better structure and readability of complex programs. They are three types: strut, union, type diff. Strut structure. These groups different data types under a single name. We are going to explain the program. Strut student, int id, character, name, float, marks. Here id is integer number, name is comes under character data type, marks comes under float. Next, start student, stud, s1. S1 is the object equals to 101, name John, marks 92.5. Here id becomes 101 and name becomes John and 9.2 becomes marks. Union. It is like strut but all members share the same memory location. Example, union data, int I, float f, character str of 20. Here union data type gives the same as structure but also same memory used for all the data types. Union data. Here data is an object, data dot I. equals to 10. Only one variable can use at a single time. Type diff. Type definition. It is used to give a new name to an existing data type. Example, type diff. Unsigned int. UNIT. UNIT refers shortcut of unsigned int. Age equals to 25. Typecasting. Typecasting is the process of converting one data type to another data type. There are two types of typecastings in C programming: implicit typecasting, explicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting. The compiler automatically converts one type of data into another type without user involvement. These are usually happen when user assign a smaller data type to larger one. Example, int a equals to 10, float b equals to a. Here, b converts automatically into floating point as 10.00, so on. Explicit typecasting. This is when you forcefully convert one type into another type using cast operator. Example, float x equals to 10.75, int y equals to int of x. Here, y stores the integer part of the x. That means y stores 10 value. Operators. What are operators? In C programming, operators are symbols that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical, relational or logical operations. These are built blocks of expressions and conditions in any C programming. Types of operators: arithmetic, relational, logical, assign, bitwise, conditional, special operators. Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus, means remainder. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values using equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statement using and or not. Assignment operator. Assignment operator are used to assign a value to a variable that are equals to, plus equals to, minus equals to, star equals to, so on. Increment and decrement operators. These operators increase or decrease a value by 1. Plus a, pre-increment a plus plus, post-increment minus a, pre-decrement a minus, post-decrement. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators works on bits and perform bit by bit operators. They are AND, OR, NOT, XOR, left shift, right shift. Conditional operators, a shorthand for a simple if-else statements. We can use it as condition question mark followed by true expression column and false expression with semicolon. Special operators. C programming has few special operators like size of, it returns the size of a data type, ampersand, address of a variable, star, pointer differentiates, arrow, axis structure member to pointers. Comments. What are comments? Comments are non-executable statements in C programming. These are ignored by compiler and used to explain the purpose of a code and helps others to understand the user logic. Types of comments in C. They are single line comment and multiple line comment. Single line comment begins with double slash. Example, double slash. This is example of single line comment. Multiple line comment starts with slash star and ends with star slash.
Like, share and please subscribe us.